2 minutes of relaxing yoga flow. My yoga flows are not typical, as I'm a professional dancer and I love to combine very flowy transitions with the yoga asanas. Why do I do that? Simply because when we are flowing from each asana to one another, we're capable on control our body better and at the same time enjoy the process of fluidity and ease. I especially love feeling how my body can change forms seamlessly, and that's the biggest mastery. When there is no rigidity left, you can just flow through each movement easily, feeling light, feeling control, feeling calmness. And that's what I wish to you.